Hello everyone, I would like to take this opportunity to express our generous acknowledgement to our Honorable Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Sri James K. Sangma, for his generous assistance towards for Naga students community stationed at Shillong amid nationwide lockdown on account of the COVID-19 pandemic. He has provided 100 bags of rice, and Naga students wish and may he continue to be champion of humanity. It is our solemn prayer to Almighty God to bestow upon him all abundant grace and wisdom to lead his people. We also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to the Khasi Student Union led by President Sri Lombok Travel Marker for their willingness to assist the Naga students when need arises. The union offer deep respect and pray for the Khasi Student Union to lead the way. The Naga Student Union Shillong will do all means in the interest of common all. Stay home, stay safe. We shall overcome. Thank you. Huvlai Shillong.